We humans heard stories about them since very old times, but we have never seen or experienced the phenomenon. Is there a world unknown and unseen? Visitors come from those unknown worlds. There is always a twilight zone, and we are in search of that. We explore the world unseen and unexplained. We are on the journey to find out the truth between science and speculations.
Hello viewers, today our topic of discussion is a legendary animal called the Chupacabra. The Chupacabra or La Chupacabras, from chupar to suck and cabra means goat, literally goat sucker, is a legendary cryptid rumored to inhabit parts of the Americas, which the first sightings reported in Puerto Rico. The name comes from the animal's reported habit of attacking and drinking the blood of livestock, especially goats. Physical description of the creature vary. It is a heavy creature the size of a small bear with a row of spine reaching from the neck to the base of the tail. Eyewitness sightings have been claimed as early as 1995 in Puerto Rico and have since been reported as far north as and far south as Chile, and even being spotted outside the Americas like Russia and Philippines. But many of the reports have been disgraded as uncorroborated or lacking evidence. The first reported attacks occurred in March 1995 in Puerto Rico. In the attack, 8 sheep were dead, each with 3 puncture wounds in the chest area and completely drained of blood. In 1975, similar killings in the small town of Mocha were attributed to El Vampiro de Mocha, the vampire of Mocha. Initially, it was suspected that the killings were committed by a satanic cult. Although several witnesses came to the conclusion that the attacks could not be the work of dogs or coyotes because they had not eaten the victim, this conclusion is incorrect. Both dogs and coyotes can kill and not consume the prey, either because they are inexperienced or due to injury, the difficulty in killing the prey. Well, the prey can survive the attack and die afterwards from internal bleeding or for circulatory shock. In mid-August 2006, Michelle O'Donnell of Tuner, Maine, described an evil-looking rodent-like animal with fangs that had been found dead alongside a road. The animal was apparently struck by a car and was unidentifiable. Photographs were taken and witnesses' reports seemed to be in relative agreement that the creature was canine and in appearance, but in widely published photos seemed unlike any dog or wolf in the area. The most common description of Chupacabra is that of a reptile-like creature said to have leathery or scaly greenish-gray skin and sharp spines or quills running down its back. It is said to be approximately 3 to 4 feet high and stands and hops in the fashion similar to that of a kangaroo. Another less common description of the Chupacabra is of a strange breed of wild dog. This form of mostly hairless and has a pronounced spinal ridge, unusually pronounced eye sockets, fangs, and claws. Unlike conventional predators, the Chupacabra is said to drain all the animal's blood and sometimes organs, usually through 3 holes in the shape of an upside-down triangle or through 1 or 2 holes. Chupacabra can be translated as goat sucker. It is known as both as Chupacabras and the Chupacabra throughout the Americas, which is the former being the original word and the latter a regularization of it. The name in Spanish can be preceded by a singular masculine article, el Chupacabre, or the plural masculine article. So that is all for now. Next time we will see another legend. Goodbye till then.